On a narrow bridge over a river, two sheep met from opposite sides.
在一座河上的窄桥上，两只羊从相反的方向相遇。
On a narrow bridge over a river, two sheep met from opposite sides. One was a black sheep, and the other was a white sheep.
一只是黑羊，一只是白羊。
One was a black sheep, and the other was a white sheep. The bridge was so narrow that only one could cross at a time.
桥非常窄，一次只能让一只羊通过。
The bridge was so narrow that only one could cross at a time. Move aside. Let me go first, said the black sheep proudly.
让开，我要先过。黑羊骄傲地说。
Move aside. Let me go first, said the black sheep proudly. No way. I came first, so you move, replied the white sheep.
不行，我先到的，该你让。白羊也不肯退让。
No way. I came first, so you move, replied the white sheep. They pushed and pushed in the middle of the bridge.
两只羊在桥中央互相推挤。
They pushed and pushed in the middle of the bridge, but soon, they both slipped and almost fell into the river.
但没多久，他们都滑了一下，差点掉进河里。
But soon, they both slipped and almost fell into the river. Then the black sheep said, Wait, if we fight, we both lose.
这时黑羊说：“等等，如果我们吵下去，谁也过不了。”
Then the black sheep said, Wait, if we fight, we both lose. So the black sheep lay down, and the white sheep gently stepped over.
于是黑羊趴下来，白羊小心地走过去。
So the black sheep lay down, and the white sheep gently stepped over. Once the white sheep crossed, he turned back and said, Thank you, friend.
白羊过桥后，转头说：“谢谢你，朋友。”
Once the white sheep crossed, he turned back and said, Thank you, friend. Then the black sheep crossed safely too.
接着黑羊也顺利地过了桥。
Then the black sheep crossed safely too. When two people both insist on being first, nobody wins. But if one shows kindness, both can succeed.
当两个人都坚持不让时，谁也得不到好结果。只有互相礼让，大家才能一起前进。
When two people both insist on being first, nobody wins. But if one shows kindness, both can succeed.